In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple users in Outlook Microsoft. By the end, you'll know how to quickly forward a single message to several people, and how to set up automatic forwarding rules in both the classic Outlook app and the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Let's start with forwarding just one email. Open the message you want to share so you can see its contents. Click the forward icon, which typically looks like a curved arrow. A new message window opens with the original email attached or quoted. In the To field, type the email addresses of everyone who needs it. You can separate addresses with semicolons or commas. Outlook will understand both. If you're sharing sensitive information and want to keep recipients private from each other, consider using BCC instead of To or CC. Add a short note at the top explaining why you're forwarding the message so everyone has context. Before sending, glance at the subject and attachments to make sure everything you want included is there. When you're ready, click Send. Now, if you need this to happen automatically, set up a rule in the classic Outlook desktop app. Go to File, then Manage Rules Alerts, and choose New Rule. Select Apply Rule on messages I receive, then click Next. Choose the conditions that should trigger the forward. Common choices are from people or public group or a word or phrase in the subject. Click Next. Under Actions, check Forward it to people or public group. Click the underlined people or public group link, add all the contacts or groups you want to receive the forwarded messages, and click OK. Click Next to set any exceptions if you need them, such as excluding messages marked confidential. Finish and apply to turn the rule on. It's a good idea to test by sending yourself a message that meets the condition and confirming it forwards as expected. For the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click the Settings gear at the top right. Choose Mail, then Rules, and select Add New Rule. Give the rule a clear name so you recognize it later. Set a condition, like apply to all messages or a specific sender or subject. For the action, choose Forward to, and enter multiple email addresses separated by semicolons. Save the rule, and make sure it's enabled. Remember that organizational policies may limit auto-forwarding, especially to external addresses, so check with your admin if forwarding doesn't work. That's it. Thanks for watching.